Hi guys, and welcome back. And today we get on with the Christmas special for 2021. So first up, I just want to speak about the figures, and 5 of the 6 are from Black Dog, and they're resin figures, and they are beautifully sculpted, very, very attractive. Went together very easily, didn't have much in the way of filling, just the normal stuff around the shoulders, but by and large they were pretty good fits. And the 6th figure was from Tank, and that was the French officer figure with his cane or walking stick. Yeah, pleasure to put together, but an even greater pleasure to paint. This video isn't a how-to video, it is simply the Christmas special, but I did want to call out the figures because I thought they were really, really good and well worth investigating if you're looking for some really good quality figures for your next project. But perhaps most importantly, I just wanted to take a minute to give you my Christmas message. And my Christmas message is enhanced by the view from my window. So for all you poor bastards who are going through a winter Christmas, great sympathy for you. This is what we see when we look out our window in Australia. It's terrible, but we manage to cope with it. So my message to you all is thanks very much for watching and supporting me throughout the year. Thank you so much to all my subscribers. We had a bit of a milestone this year, hitting the 5,000 subscribers, and that was very gratifying. And as you know, I really enjoy the comments, and lots of nice comments, and in fact quite a few of you are corresponding with me now via email, which I also enjoy, and I apologise if I haven't responded to you over the month of December. It has been absolutely heckers, and I really scrambled just to get this done in amongst everything else that was going on. So the message is simple. I want you to have a very safe and happy Christmas. Look forward to a great 2022, because it's got to be better than the last 2 years, and hopefully we start to get on top of this whole COVID situation and life does return to normal. So hopefully you have some time off to relax and recuperate and spend with your loved ones, family and friends, and hopefully Santa brings you a few nice hobby kits or supplies in your Christmas stocking. So again, take care all. We'll hop into the final review now, and I'll just come back and say goodbye right at the end. And so that's it. And I guess the message behind the diorama is, even in the horrors of war, humans generally just want to get along with each other. And I think basically just be left to do their own thing. If I'm not hurting you and you're not hurting me, that probably sounds like a pretty good deal. So the League of Nations there, just having a bit of a Christmas drink and a little bit of food amongst the horror of war. And hopefully, there's a message in there, but I'm not quite sure what it is myself. Thanks again, everyone. Thanks for taking the time for watching. It's Christmas Eve day over here in Australia. So everyone in the Antipodes, have a great Christmas tomorrow, and everyone everywhere else have a great Christmas the day after that, which will be the day behind the day ours was, which is because we're from the future. So anyway, thanks for watching. Look after yourselves, and I will catch you in 2022. So if you like this video, hit the thumbs up and share. Subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, and ding the donger. And of course, leave a comment because I love reading them. Cheers!